here in BRIDPORT by the coast. Day after the storm, 27th January 2026. Wow, this is the day after the storm. I wonder what it was like here yesterday when the storm was kicking off. This is amazing. So I'm on my travels. I'm off down to Exeter, so I've stopped off at BRIDPORT. Just thought I'd get to see this and also to show you guys how ferocious Mother Nature is. Amazing. Check that out. Wow. As always, awakenites, stay awake, stay aware, stay within consciousness. I'll catch you in the next video.